Hey guys, this is David from Evertree, Ireland's biggest online herbal vape store. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Arizer Solo 2. So this is a dry herb vaporizer manufactured in Canada. As you can see, it's quite sturdy looking. It would be a portable vaporizer, but definitely on the bulkier side. To turn on, you press the middle button along with the top volume button, and it's very simple to use. You change the temperature with up and down, and turning it off is the same as turning it on. What else have we got in the box? We have two glass tubes or glass stems. This here is an aroma diffuser dish. You can fill this with different botanicals designed for aromatherapy. Then we have the metal stirring tool. This is actually really helpful for packing in the herbs, and it can be good for cleaning as well, getting at all the little loose herbs. Underneath you have the Arizer sticker if you're into stickers, I don't know. You have the user manual here as well if you're stuck for anything, although as I said, the Solo is very easy to use, and you can find most things online these days as well. Then you have your plug, which fits in at the back. It takes about 3 hours to charge fully, which will then last you 3 hours before needing to charge again. Then we have the travel pouch. I found this great for going hiking or anything like that, and you can put the glass tubes on the side here as well. It's very handy. And finally, we have some included lavender and some spare screens. If you want to use the screens, you just place them in the bottom of the stems. So that's the Solo 2 unboxing. If you would like to see a more detailed tutorial of how to use it, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make that up no bother. Thanks.